Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Pages on your iPad and tapping the plus button to create a new document. Choose a template that matches your goal, or pick blank if you want full control. Templates speed things up when you need structure. Once done, make sure iCloud is enabled for Pages so your file autosaves and syncs. Go to Settings, then Pages if you need to turn it on. Now you're ready to add text and start composing, step by step. You now focus on editing and formatting. Tap where you want to type, or connect an external keyboard for speed. Select text and open the format controls to change font, size, color, alignment, and line spacing. This makes your document readable and consistent. Insert images, shapes, or tables from the plus menu, then drag corners to resize and use Arrange to send items forward or back. As you work, use the undo gesture or button to quickly revert small mistakes and keep momentum. You finish by exporting and sharing. Tap the More menu, pick Export, and choose PDF, Word, or Pages depending on the recipient. Select Quality and include comments if needed. Once exported, share via mail, messages, or AirDrop and set permissions so others can view or edit. If the layout shifts after export or on another device, make sure objects are locked or switch to page layout mode, and check that fonts are installed. These steps usually solve formatting problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.